Hello and welcome to the ScatterVolt channel, and today I want to show you the first part in a series of vlogs covering the construction of the brand new ScatterVolt filming and gaming studio. So yes, this is all new. You may be wondering why I haven't been uploading many videos in a while, and that is because I've moved into a brand new house from my old apartment, and along with that I've had to build pretty much a whole new filming studio for this new house because I have 2 rooms to myself, which is the one that I sleep in, and then one I'm going to be doing all of the video and gaming magic in. But of course, since it's been a while, I thought I'd go ahead and make a series of mini vlogs, and Melly's going to be, of course, still editing them for you. So we're going to show you kind of like the overall progression and setup of what I got behind me. But again, this is just a little sneak peek. I believe you can only see the monitor right here, but behind me I got a shelf and another shelf, and maybe if you can see above my shoulder right here, there's some RGB lights, but there's some more right there. And of course, the super badass PC right here that you guys obviously can't see, but it deserves its own video in this series right here. Anyways, more or less, hopefully what I'm going to be showing you guys in these series of vlogs is a reason why I haven't been uploading much, and that's because I've been crazy busy constructing this, as well as competing in a bodybuilding show, and then going on vacation. So this last 4 weeks have been, not eventful, but right now we are back at it in the new studio, and everything is pretty much 85% of what I want it to be. But anyways, we're gonna be hitting the ground back and running pretty much today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this first video, and again, let me know if you have any ideas for the studio. I'm totally open to it. I got like a full wall right here of stuff I can, maybe, can you see right here? Yeah, I got like a full wall that's blank that I can totally put something on, but I don't know what to put. Like maybe like some wallpaper, soundproof panels. I'm a bit iffy on because I think I got another wall for that, but that's just that. And of course, right there is actually another desk and another like B-roll setup, which you guys can't see right now, but you will soon see. So really, this room that I got right now is meant to be like the overall kind of like setup for the next 3 years for the ScatterVolt channel. But anyways, without further ado, hopefully you guys enjoyed this first part in the vlog series. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. If you just built your brand new gaming PC and you're looking for a password manager to store all of your new account information from YouTube, Google, Amazon, Twitch, you name it, in one easy and convenient location, then I recommend checking out Dashlane. Dashlane is a free password manager that goes above and beyond more than just storing your account information. It also has some nifty features such as a password generator in case you didn't feel secure enough with your current password. Dashlane can automatically generate and update your account information with that new password in case there's any sort of nasty data breaches from time to time. And even has an autofill feature which can be attributed to its Google Chrome extension, so that way you can always have the reliable autofill, because sometimes from time to time Google Chrome's kind of all over the place when it comes to loading up the correct account information on the browser. And that's just for PC. You can also get it on your phone as well and have the exact same benefits, and that's just the free version. Don't forget there's also the premium version, which has a built-in VPN and some really cool dark web monitoring service, just in case your email or any sort of personal information has an access on one of those nasty dark web websites. Dashlane can let you know that it's done that, so that way you can do something about it and make sure there's no further complications. So there's a lot of cool things that I think are worth checking out with Dashlane, especially with a brand new gaming PC. So if you want to check out their website, then check the top of the description below. So here's hour 1 of constructing the new place. Currently, one of my friends here is working on the drawer. We already got the 2 shelves though. We're gonna go ahead and fill out these shelves actually with some extra notches because we only have 2 right here, but we're gonna need a 3rd one. And then we have our main big desktop downstairs I'm gonna put on top of those 2 drawers. And then after that, right here, we got the big workspace desk that's wooden. This is actual wood. This isn't like any sort of like plastic wood or anything. This is real legitimate wood, and it's going to be seated on top of this standing desk right here. And then we also have the chair right there, the YouTube plaque that we're going to hang up eventually, and then 2 floating shelves. And that for the moment is going to be what we have for today. Tomorrow we've got the actual 35-inch ultra-wide ViewSonic XG350R. Can't believe I remember that. Widescreen ultra-wide monitor. Gaming monitor coming in tomorrow. And then Friday we have the rest of the desk setup coming in, that being 2 speakers, actual speakers that use an amp, which by the way the amp also comes in. And then, let's see, I think that's it in terms of decorations. It'd be really cool if you guys have any sort of suggestions for what I can do to continue to deck out this new filming studio, because like I said, for the most part, I'm only working on the desk setup and then the workspace bench or workspace desk. But regardless from that, like if you have any actual ideas for like decorations or cool props for the setup, then let me know. And oh yeah, we also got a few other cool things, including a lot of RGB lights that I haven't even gone into. But for the moment, you guys are just going to enjoy a little time lapse of me and my good friend Tyler building as much as we can. So we got Cortana here helping us out for music. Here's a bunch of stuff that needs to be moved in. There's all those other shelves I was talking about for the 2 shelves over here. More stuff, monitor, and there's Tyler. But yeah, let's get to it. So we're gonna have Cortana here helping us out, banging out some music. But yeah. So far, I've made the shelves look a little bit nicer. I've added in some middle columns as well as now added a bottom column. Because before we just had like 3 columns because I would fit PCs on the bottom shelf. But now since we have a nice big closet, I won't need that anymore. So we got that. And we got 1 drawer right there. Tyler's working on the next one right over there. And again, I also did that same shelving I was just talking about here on this other shelf. However, as you can tell, they're mirrored. So we got 1 shelf right here with like 2 blocks, 1 open 1, 2 blocks, 1 open 1. And on this side, it's flipped. The top one's open, middle one, 2 blocks. That one's open, 2 blocks. So there's a new drawer. So we kind of get an idea, right? We're gonna have the 2 shelves right there, 2 drawers, desktop on top, middle monitor, 2 speakers, test bench, PC, and right here in the middle is the standing desk, which we're going to be working on next. And again, here's the beautiful wood oak countertop that's going to be going on top of that. That's made out of actual wood. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on that. And again, I cannot thank, here, I want to pull their box. And again, I want to give a huge shout out to Anthrodesk for sponsoring the incredibly awesome dual motor standing desk that is going to be responsible for the really cool desk bench we're going to have over there. Or no, the really cool workbench is going to have that wood countertop. So again, ginormous thank you to them. A link to their desk will be in the description below. And again, when we go on to the actual setup video where I show you everything finished, I'll have another link for them because they have been such a huge help for making this new studio set possible. I think I should set these like M1, M2.
Yeah.
And maybe, yeah, hold it and then that'll set it. So that way I won't have to. So this can be, oh, that's too high. So this is unboxing territory right here. Then what if I hold mode 2? Maybe these are preset. then you stop it. What if I do mode 1? Where does that go to? It's dual motor though. All the way down.
Sounds like it.
Boom. Unboxing territory.
Boom.
Alright. We're good. Alright, so it's kind of late tonight, and I really just want to work more on this desk setup that I got going on behind me. So there's still a few things I'm waiting to get in here. A few cool things have arrived, such as the gaming monitor, which I'm going to show you the box for it right now. So to give you an idea of the scale, that's the sort of monitor we're throwing on for the setup. And to the right of that, or I guess your left, is where my new PC will be chilling. And then to the left, or I don't know, I lost track. This is where the test bench is gonna be, which I've yet to construct that, but it's coming. So for now, all I'm gonna do is just organize some of the drawers. So what I got here is a little to-do list, because what I wanna do is actually label each of the drawers and show what each drawer is supposed to have. I think that'd just be more organized. But for the moment, I'm just gonna do that on here and then go to Walmart and get one of those tape name things or whatever that I can stick onto each of these drawers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little time lapse of that.
So there you have it. That is the first part in the construction of the brand new ScatterVolt filming and gaming studio. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And again, if you have any ideas or suggestions for the studio to make it cooler for video making and even gaming to an extent, then definitely let me know in the comments below. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching. And this is the ScatterVolt channel, signing out.